Sorry, you guys, I did not know it was recording. I won a giveaway, and this is Twitchy Witch, and I won a giveaway from Unboxing Discoverybyg, which is Gina, and yeah, let's see. I wanted to show you this cute little kitty. I love cats, so thank you, Gina. I enjoyed your videos very much, especially your hauls and stuff. So, and y'all, I will put her channel, her YouTube channel down below as well. Okay, I went ahead and opened this ahead of time, so I haven't looked. So, oh, there's a card right here on top. And here's some paper for my kitty. Oh, look, you guys, it's a kitty. Oh, free hugs. That's cute. Okay. That's a pretty card, you guys. By the way, I keep any cards you guys send. Thank you so much for your support. Congratulations on winning, and I hope you enjoy your goodies. And I look forward in getting to know you. God bless. Unboxing by G. Aw, and look, it's got little. That's so pretty. Thank you, Gina. Okay, let's get in. Oh, okay. Let's get all this stuff out. Oh my. Okay, first, Spun Gel. I have never got a Spun Gel, and I'm tickled to death to try one. So, oh my God, that smells amazing. Okay, it has a hole, and you can take this and put it in there, and then you can use this to wash and hang it up and let it dry and reuse. That smells good. Thank you. Okay, and she added, oh my, lots of goodies. Okay, a daily back scrubber, exfoliate. I ain't had one of these in years. Oh, mine is a little bit different. Oh, awesome. I like that. Thank you very much. I know my son will enjoy that. He's always hollered. He broke my last back scrubber. So, thank you very much for that. And then we got, okay, some mask here. It looks like, oh, let me get my specs. Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Mask. Oh my goodness. Oh, that'll be so fun. Thank you. She gave me 2 of those. And then a Vitamin C Royal Beauty Brightening and Glow Facial Sheet Mask. Oh, wow. And then, oh, these are eye things. Rod, 24 karat gold hydro mask. Cool. Thank you. Hydrating sheet mask. That's cute. Thank you. Pastry Sun Bay Soothing Mask. Thank you. Love those. Okay. I don't know what's in this one yet. I'm going to look in this. Oh, these are her samples. Okay. First, it's an Ipsy bag. It's green inside and it's silver. I like these for several different reasons. That time of the month, you can put your things in it. Medicines. I actually have one in my desk that I keep my fingernail files and clippers and scissors in. I also have another one that I use to keep in the bottom like change and stuff and receipts. So these come in very handy. So I really like these. So thank you, Gina. That's pretty. I like that. Okay, let's see what we got here. She gave me 2 of these. Let's see what they are. Sorry, I got a hair in my face. And I gotta get a drink. It's water. Because I'm very thirsty. Verb. Reset. Review. Clarifying shampoo. A hair mask. Oh, okay. And styling mist. Never heard of them, but thank you. Like I said, I love these things for traveling. Okay, and then she gave me 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Paris 8-hour magic night serum. Oh, overnight. It's for the hair. Thank you. And then we got some more. We got facial serum for Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you so very much. I like stuff like trying out stuff like that. Stay put. Okay. Now, for the little box, she gave me a glossy box. I love these boxes. I actually store my jewelry and stuff in them. Oh. A gross satin sleep mask. Sleep like a queen and wake up like a goddess. Thank you. I like that. And then we got Red Cell Moisturizing, Repairing, and Recovery Lotion for Enriched Hydrating Acid Serum Moisturizer. Lotion. You heard my little tomcat aggravate my little female. She don't like me sometimes. Oh, Bareminerals Lip Gloss Balm. Oh, Century. Let me see if I can. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Yeah, Century. Here. I didn't bring anything in here to that color. Very pretty. I'm gonna like that. I like lippies. Oh, and the color eyeliner. Ooh, that's brown. I like that. Thank you. Oh, and we got something and something. Contour and blender. Oh, that's soft. Oh, by Era. I can't pronounce that. I suck at pronouncing things sometimes, you guys. Oh, that's pretty. Thank you. Balance Me BHA floating conditioner. It's a conditioner. That smells good. I'll put all of this in here so I don't drop everything everywhere, because I'm good at that. Okay. I got a little Ella Baskin quad palette. Ooh. Guys, look how pretty that is. I like these so in case if I'm just going somewhere and I ain't gonna be gone very long, then I can put it in my purse without having to take a bigger palette. That's what they look like. Very pretty. Thank you. I like that. Oh, and an outher. I've always wanted to try outher, but I had never got one. Anything in outher. This is my first one, and I'm so excited. It's a highlighter. Let's see. Sorry guys if you hear my son back there. He's recording and having fun with his friends on line. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. That's the two sides. And I pushed a little hard on there. Isn't that pretty? Sorry about the mirror, you guys. My first Ofra. Okay, this is the palette. And I seen this, I was like, oh my god. Ditto Venus palette. Limited edition. Isn't that beautiful? Universe. Oh, it's... my kitty's getting into the box. I'll do it this way. Still can't get it. Look how beautiful. It's got a mirror. Look how beautiful, you guys. Oh my god. Let's see. My cat's like looking at me like, what? Oh, hold on. Okay. We're going to do this. Let's see. Let's try Demoise. Oh my god. It's like butter. Colosso. That's one of my favorite colors. And oh, holy crap. And General Ganmerd, or whatever that's called. Oh my god. Let's see. Mars. Let's do Mars with this pinky. Okay. We're going to do Venus on up here. The moon, Jupiter, Ten, they're right there and right here. Very beautiful. Oh my god. I'm gonna love this. It's gonna be fun to play with. It's got 3 mats. I'll let you guys look at this again. So beautiful. This is gonna be so much fun to play with. Thank you so much, Gina. And I enjoyed your videos. I really love enjoying them. They're a lot of fun to play with. Watch. Sometimes I will lay in bed and put it on my TV and watch it that way. And like I said, it's really good entertainment. And I love watching you try on the clothes. And I love Cali Cat. And I can't remember the other one. Something Faye. But I enjoy watching your kitties and you, and I hope you get feeling better soon. Thank you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to push that bell, because it does help get my videos out there, and you'll know when I'm uploading something. Alright, bye you guys.